Have you ever thought of how many wireless devices you are surrounded with and all of these are secure enough? We are going to see the security and threat level of different wireless devices, how to sniff data out, and how to transmit data. We are going to use HackRF board in this course. We will start this course by understanding the HackRF board and then we will update the latest firmware into it. After that, we will do a quick overview of different tools which are compatible with this board. We will try to do capture and replay attacks on different wireless devices like wireless doorbell, wireless switch, and car remote key. Then we will see how to transmit and receive text data using the same board. We will also try to see how we can do FM broadcast and analog TV broadcast as well. In the end, we will do an interesting practical of hacking drone FPV camera, which is a first person view camera. So this complete course is based on HackRF board, so we will utilize the complete power of HackRF board in different fields. Thank you.